Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to pivot and append data in Microsoft Excel. So here you can see that I have two sheets with me, Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. In Sheet 1, I have the headings Riverside and City Center. Then I have the headings Employee Names, followed by Category, and then the hours contributed. So the first thing I want to achieve is I want to make a pivot in which I want all the employee names in separate rows and all the categories in separate columns, so that at a glance I can see any employee and the hours he has contributed in the various categories. Once I have done that, I would like to go at the end of this data and append the data from Sheet 2. In Sheet 2, you can see the data is in a different format. It's already in a pivoted format wherein you have the office name, the employee, and the hours contributed in various categories. And this data I want to append at the end of Sheet 1. So let me show you how you can do that. Click anywhere inside the data, right-click and select Get Data from Table/Range. Then click on the heading Office, right-click over here, select Fill and select Down. Then click on the heading Category, right-click over here, select Fill and select Up. Then click on Employee, click on the drop-down and uncheck Null. Then click on OK. Now click on the category. This is the column in which I want the column headings. Then I would click on Transform and I would select Pivot Column. Now it will ask me the values column. So I'll click over here and select Hours. Then I would click on OK and my pivot is ready. So I have each employee name on a separate row and the hours contributed in separate columns. Now let us try to merge this data with the Archer data, the data from table 2. So we click on the second table, we right-click on the heading Office and we select Fill and we select Down. Now to merge the data, click on Home and in Home select Append Queries. In Append Queries, select Append Queries as New. We are doing this so that the result comes into a new sheet. After that, it asks me to select the first table. So I click on Table 2 and second table, I select Archer and then click on OK. So you will see a new table gets created with the data appended. Let us go at the end of the data and see whether the Archer data has got appended. It has got appended, however, the data is not in a proper format. So the reason for this is, if you see in your table 2, the master table, the heading Office and Employee is in capital letters. But if you go in the Archer table, the heading is in proper case. So we'll make it to capital letters. So we double click over here and change the heading to Office. And then we double click on Employee and change the heading to Employee in capital letters. Hit Enter. And then we come to our append data. And now when we go at the bottom, you can see the data of the Archer file has got appended at the bottom in a proper format. Now we'll click on Home and select Close and Load so that the result comes into a new sheet. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.